When you turn on this amplifier, the logo of JBL fires up. Hello guys, we are looking at this new amplifier, integrated amplifier, networking amplifier from JBL. This is the SA750, a sleek device that combines a retro design with modern technology inside. It has a black aluminum chassis with silver accents and a wood panel on the sides. It also has a large rotary volume control, a knob, a balanced knob, a volume control, big ones, and an LED display in front. It's a tribute to the legendary JBL amplifiers from the 60s and 70s, but with a modern twist. The SA750 is equipped with a lot of features: direct live room correction, Chromecast built-in, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, AirPlay included, Spotify Connect, you can name it. Even has a phono stage that accepts, supports both MM and MC cartridges. Here we see at the display, which is consisted from LED dots. On front we see these knobs that are returning. We just push them and they are coming back. So this is a retro touch here as well. Also it's featuring an input retro knob and a balance retro knob as well, in order to give this vintage, let's say, look. In front we see the phone inputs to drive our headphones, and auxiliary input, so you can use this to drive it for external source there. So we have uncovered the amplifier. It comes with a remote control, but we can adjust it with an app, and we see inside the hidden world of this SA750 amplifier. So the name of the game here is Class G amplification. This technology allows the amplifier to switch between different power supplies depending on the input signal level. That's why there are two sets of transistors and two sets of capacitors. There are two capacitors of 18,000 microfarads and two capacitors of 10 microfarads. Transistors or module, power module as well. You see these ones are covered there. There are different power modules than the other ones. So the amplifier switches on different classes, class A to class G, depends, as I said, of the input signal level. Here we see the networking board, and everything that comes in, it's getting digitized with these PCMs, bare brown chipsets. The DAC, the actual DAC, is based on a Sabre ESS chip. Here we see the Wi-Fi connectivity. The first 20 watts are in class A, per channel 20 watts. And then we have 120 watts in power at 8 ohms, or 220 watts at 4 ohms. So it's a beast of power and a beast of features. There are 5 analog inputs, including phono stage as well. We see here the relay, the chipsets, a lot of chipset inside, because every signal that comes inside is getting digitized in order to be managed from the systems. So the key thing here is the direct live system. Here we see the backside and the inputs and the outputs. Independent inputs for phono MM and phono MC, and there is a pre-out in order to drive an external power amplifier. As well, we have a USB to play songs for an external hard drive. We see the transistors here and the rest of the board. So it's very well constructed inside. It has a lot of technology that derives from Arkham. I can see, because Arkham, which belongs to the same group as JBL, uses this Class G amplification. Here we see the mic for direct live. It comes in the box, so it's you don't have to buy a special microphone in order to do your room optimization. Just to download the software and start working. Full IP control, including control for encryption, so you can do home installation, home automation with this product. Room ready, MQA support, locally UPnP playback, and it's heavy machine, 14 kilos. Guys, thanks for watching, that's all.